What is going on, everybody? I am back, and I've got 3 cash explosions and 3 golden tickets. I got 17 through 19 on the cash explosions and 7 through 9 on the golden tickets. And we are going to get in on these, and I will go ahead and start with the golden tickets because they are the older ticket. So these are book 648084. And again, these are the symbols. A coin, you win automatically. 2x, double. 10x wins 10 times the prize. A gold bar is 500 instantly. And a pot of gold is win all 30 prizes. I have only found the coins, the 2x and the 10x. I have not found a gold bar or a pot of gold. Maybe I can do it. We will see. So let's start out with ticket 7 here and see what numbers we got. 20, 6, 27, 54, 32, 41, 31, 13, 26, and 4. So one high number there, 54. So let's see what we got here. 47, 37, 16, 34, 53, 36, 9, 46, 7, 14, 19, 8, 56, 55, 24, 35, 3, 5, 43, 39, 48, 57, 45, 49, 33, 28, 21, 17, 60, and 38. So I don't see any winner on that. If I miss something, I'm sure I'll find it later, but ticket number 7 does not look like a winner. We'll go to ticket number 8. Let's see. 24, 19, 7, 33, 52, 55, 17, 31, 42, and 13. And 41, 36, 33. We have a winner. 56, 49, 57, 45, 34, 37, 17. All right, there's another number. So we got 2 matches so far. 43, 16, 50, 39, 44, 42. There's 3 matches, so it's at least $30. 59. If we can find a couple more, it'll be more. 47, or it could be, you never know, it could be more. 54, 26, 7. Well, yeah, it's going to be a little better winner. So it's not 30. 14, 40, 8, 35, 11, 21, 28, and 51. Okay, so we got 33, 25, 17, 50. Okay, so we had 33, 17, what was it, 42, 75, and $100 winner. Well, this is a $180 session, so I am getting closer, and that was ticket number 8. Gave me $100. Can we have a back-to-back win? You never know what happens. It has happened before, so let's see if ticket 9 gives us anything before we go on to the cash explosions. So I'm going to go ahead and symbol hunt this one, this last ticket here, see if we can find any symbols. You never know. There's a 60, maybe it's a winner. Would be nice. 33, 52, 44, 14, 35, 38, 18, 19, 59, 21, 48, 32, 34, 47, 28, 16, 20, and there was no symbols. Let's see if we got any matching numbers. 9, we do not have a 9. There is no 5. 45, did we have 45? 44, 47, nope. No 7. 56, no 56. 51, no 51. No 6. 39, 38, no 39. 25, no 25, and 43, 42, 46, nope, no 43. So those 60s showing up didn't mean anything. You never know. Let's go on to the cash explosions here. These are the last 3 in the pack, and these are basically the same. Dollar bill, you win automatically 2x, 10x. Star, money star, 500, and cash went all 30. Let's see how ticket number 17 does. 16, 39, 35, 21, 52, 54, 59, 30, 4, and 38. And 15, 46, 22, 27, 13, 11. Hopefully I can find at least $60 in this, to $60 more to at least be close to breaking even, if I can't find another 100 in here, or if I can't find, you know, the 500 or anything more. 25, 20, 58, 53, 12, 36, 49, 24, 55, 45, 33, 42, 44, 23, 31, 7, 34, 17, and 29. So ticket number 17 is not a winner. Let's go on to ticket number 18. Alrighty, let's see what we got. 54, 52, 48, 15, 9, 44, 33, 29, 47, and 53. And 16, 3, 11, 49, 41, 15, all right, 33, 31, 8, 23, 35, 39, 59, 30, 36, 27, 7, 57, 44. There's another one that's at least $30 here. 34, 40, 56, 38, 50, 19, 44. All right, it's more than 40, so, or more than 30, so we're good. 17, 12, and 14. Okay, so we got 15. Oh my goodness. 33. Here's that $100 winner. Where was the 15, 33? What did I miss here? Another 44. And the other 44. All right, so I have officially made a $20 profit on this session. I will take that. We got one more ticket, and you never know. The last ticket could be a decent winner, but I won on 2 tickets the same way, $100. So let's see what this one will do, and I will symbol search this one. Oh, look at that. I did a symbol hunt and right off the bat. So I am good. I am good. Is that going to be a single win? Or are we going to match some numbers with it? 18. 24 could be just be a $30 winner, but I'll take it. There's that 60. 3. 59. 14. 30. 29. 7. 21. 23. 46. 51. 4. 13. Make sure I didn't see any multiple numbers there. 45. 22. 28. And 43. So we have one symbol here. Let's see if we got anything else to match it up. 32. There we go. 55. No 55. Did not have a 1. Did we have an 8? I don't believe so. No 8. 25. No 25. Got a 46. Then we have a 53. No 53. 47. No 47. 17, no 17. And 54. I don't see a 54. So we've got the win. We had, oh, what was the other one? 32. And was that it? I'm sorry, I lost track there. So I got the win, I got the 32. 55, 25. I think it's just those two, so it'll probably be a, let's see what it is here. 10, 20, and I missed, what did I miss, guys? Missed something, because I can't have a $20 winner on a $30 ticket. Oh boy. Okay, sorry about this, guys. Oh, it's 46. Okay, I didn't see my mark there. So look at that. That is a $30 win. So the last two tickets in the pack were winners. So I won on the cash explosions. I won 130 bucks, and on the golden tickets, I won 100 bucks. So that's $230. I have made a profit on that session, and I will go turn these in, and I might pick up a couple more. Just try my luck again on them. But I appreciate you guys watching. That was a good video. We'll see you next time.